So yeah, here I am, still sick. Anyway, I forgot to record the first portion of this laptop disassembly because I started hearing, loud fan noises maybe 2 weeks ago. And as you see here, I've gotten a lot of crunchy soft biscuits. Yeah. And here, I just want to show you the amount of dust that has accumulated in this laptop's fan. It wasn't visible outside because there. I already cleaned this. I already opened up my laptop last week, and I cleaned it up, the fans, everything. De-dusted it, de-dust, and I thought I found nothing, but it still made those noises. So I am right. I'm opening up my laptop again. Just to see whatever the heck is the issue inside the fan, not just inside the laptop. I wasn't able to think about that last week. So here I am removing the dust, and I will I'm having some difficulty, aiming my camera or my laptop to my camera because I've never done this before. Maybe I've already cleaned my Sega Saturn controller, my gamepad on stream, but it was a different thing. Anyway, yeah, I will fast forward through this one. Yeah, I'm now cleaning with my toothbrush. I'm not brushing my teeth. Definitely not. I'm definitely not brushing my teeth with that one. So you can see that I am, I am showing you this perspective just for everybody to see that, yeah, my vents are clean, that you can see through the vents. Yeah, this is much better. Still not much clearer because of my camera. I'm just using my phone, but you can see through the vent. So yeah, that's done. Oh, and I'm not using a quote-unquote can of air because one, I don't know where to get those. Number two, those seem expensive for what they do. And number three, it's just not me to just go and buy stuff like that. I'd rather, do things the cheap way. Yeah, cheap. By the way, this is a vlog, not a tutorial, so please do not, imitate what I'm doing. Do not. I'm currently, this is a cotton ball, just in case you didn't see, because, I don't really have anywhere to put my camera. Do not clean your vents or your laptop with cotton balls, especially if you know that they're gonna hit, small sharp surfaces like soldering points and vents like these, because the cotton can get into the vent and have the opposite effect of cleaning. They can get stuck, and if it gets stuck on the solder points, then you're gonna be in trouble. You will notice a lot of non-standard, unsafe things that I will be probably be doing, because this is just the way I've done things since way back. This is one of the reasons why I don't take clients, why I don't accept repairs, and why I only do this for myself. So here's the fan. Yeah, you will see that there are no more dusts in this fan because again, as I said, I already cleaned this fan last week. Brushed all the dust off as much as possible, and it's relatively clean. It's not squeaky clean that I will put my tongue on it, but it does the job. So yeah, unfortunately I didn't think of recording it in video. I think I clean my laptop once a year or twice or once in 2 years. I've been doing this since 2004. I think that was my very first laptop. So I think this is my 6th laptop or 5th, since that time. So here this is very difficult. How do you open this? Oopsie, might break. All right. There we go. See, you can feel it's like chocolate. Yeah, I'm just gonna lick it off. Looks tasty. Here we go with our cotton ball technique again. Cotton ball fighters. Alright, so here comes the fun part. I wonder what's making this it looks tough. It feels difficult. It feels stuck. It's kind of tough to remove. I wonder how do you remove this? Sheesh. What? Oh, of course, let's use the safest tool in the room. It's not getting off. Yeah, does it have any other mechanism? Does it have any other way? Do you have to get any other part off for this to come off? Let's see. So what do you do with... Oh my god. Yeah, I just broke something off. I just broke off a... Damn it. Anyway, yeah, it's off now, but so here's the fan blade, and it's kind of broken in in this area. And yeah, this part. Anyway, I think it'll still work, so let's just put it here. I don't have any other alternatives in the meantime, so I have to make this work. cleaning the, what's this thing Iron Man has? Anyway. So yeah, this is, I didn't realize how difficult this is, that where I don't see where the camera is, if what I'm doing is it. Anyway, yeah, this is the memory. This is the broken part. As you can see, it's broken. And I think I am trying to fix it, but you know, I'm just in despair. So I'm gonna put it, well, of course I'm already putting it back. Again, as I was saying, I didn't realize how difficult this was to do it and make it visible on camera. All right, no snapping sound, so you know, we'll just have to make do and, you know, believe that it's already locked. So yeah, making it very viewable on camera is very difficult. I really hope I had some proper gear for shooting this. But speaking of gear, yeah, here we go with stunts again. Again, speaking of standard stuff for tools, that was almost. I don't have a cup to put and I don't have magnetized screwdrivers for this. Oh my god, again, what the? Where is that? Oh, there we go. Oh my god. I almost lost this screw. Oh my god, here we go again. Sheesh, the stunts, man. I have to stop it with the stunts. And by stunts I mean, doing, things where I assume things will be okay because I was only 18 or 16 or 20 years old. I'm no longer that young. Where if a screw falls, you do it Zohan style and catch the screw midair, anime style, where nothing goes wrong, everything, all is well, come on, please get in. All right. Oh. Woo. Sometimes it's things like these. Which makes me puff more because I'm holding my breath literally. I don't have a cup for these, a container for these screwdrivers. I usually do. God. Anyway. This was a really, really improvised shoot. And so let's, is it in? Yes, it is. It's difficult to know because I am holding the laptop with one hand just to, make it, allow you guys to see. And there we go. All right, so let's put this back in. This is I'm doing this on camera, even if you guys don't see the actual screws and because I wasn't able to shoot the disassembly. So I'm not going to power this laptop up. Again, please do not, do what I'm doing, especially if you don't have the experience. Practice safety first. Again, this is not a tutorial. This is a blog. I'm just doing what I've been doing for the past decades. Yeah, so yeah, you as you may have seen, I turned on the computer, bare bones, leaving everything as it is. Yeah, there we have Windows. I'm gonna hit the manual speed fan button or something. Fan speed, sorry, yeah. So here we have our desktop, and I'm running the game. I'm running a game, so I can somehow see if the fan will kick in, if there's gonna be, I know it's broken now, so I just want to see if things will fly out of this fan. Yeah, so just in case things hit my eyes, I hope not. I hope not. See, there it's running, and nothing is flying so far. So that's fortunate. I am now testing to see if how smooth or how rough the fan is while the laptop is turned on. While the fan is stopped, it's kind of dangerous because anytime the fan, oh my god, yeah, like that. Yeah, if it was just my finger, then no problem. But if it was a screw, then things might break inside and. Sheesh. Again, please don't do that. I'm not gonna do that again. I just got the scare of my, well, not life, but of my hour. So yeah, while the laptop is still turned on, I'm trying to remove this, whatever. Yeah, let's use our hands. Yes. So that's it. I'm going to try and see how smooth this fan operates without the cover, without the lid, while the laptop is turned on, because I don't have any other way to test this. And now all that's left is to attach the GPU fan back. Yeah, without the proper tools, it can really, test your patience. There we go. All right, so yeah, see, it runs smooth without the lid. See that broken part? See, it doesn't wobble. It's stable. So if we have the lid on, when we run the fan, it's okay. It's quiet. Again, kids, don't do this at home. Don't don't do this. Don't seal everything. Like, don't attempt to operate, these things without security or something. I don't know how to call it. Please, safety first. So what do? We take our chances and put everything back. Yeah, I usually don't shut down my computer, not restart. I just hibernate. If I put it to sleep, if I, remove this, adapter, charger, then it's gonna shut down without, not properly shut down. So I do hibernate. So everything's written on the hard drive. And now that we're done with the GPU fan, let's go for the CPU fan. Let's go clean it. It doesn't have any problems so far. So I just want to clean it. I know I brushed, the dust off, but I never expected the inside to be that dirty. I know I expected it, but I didn't really expect it, I know, no sense anymore. Wait, speaking of sense, wait, how am I supposed to remove the lid? It looks like it's a whole assembly. The lid looks like it's welded to the heatsink. So how am I supposed to remove the lid of the fan without removing the entire heatsink? Sheesh. Mega sheesh. Non-magnetized screws. Yeah, I'm sorry. These screwdrivers are, these are the ones that come free with, either small electronics, hard drives, or I forgot where I got the screwdriver. I am thankful for it. I am thankful for it, though. Be thankful for the little things. Whatever. So I'm just gonna, remove the dust. The dust that I see, at least. There. Yeah, you can see the dust still peeking out of the fan. So again, whatever. Let's just close it up.